Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Pharmacy2U, found at www.pharmacy2u.net. This online pharmacy service offers a convenient way to manage and receive your NHS repeat prescriptions. They aim to simplify the process, removing the need for trips to your GP surgery and local pharmacy. Pharmacy2U handles everything digitally, from requesting your prescriptions to delivering them straight to your door. This can be particularly helpful for those with busy schedules, mobility issues, or those who simply prefer the ease of online management. Their website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through the process of setting up an account, nominating your GP, and ordering your medications. They also provide resources and information regarding a wide variety of health topics. While I've found Pharmacy2U to be a reliable and efficient service, it's always a good idea to do your own research and see if it's the right fit for your specific needs. Make sure you explore their website fully to understand the services they provide and how they operate. It's important to remember that online pharmacies, like any other healthcare service, should be chosen carefully based on factors like reputation, security, and customer support. Pharmacy2U emphasizes their commitment to data privacy and security, which is a crucial aspect to consider when dealing with sensitive medical information. They also highlight their dedicated customer service team available to answer any questions and assist with any issues you may encounter. Before making a decision, it's often beneficial to read reviews and testimonials from other users to gain a more comprehensive understanding of their experiences with Pharmacy2U. Remember to consult with your GP or another healthcare professional if you have any questions or concerns about using an online pharmacy service. Ultimately, choosing the right pharmacy is a personal decision based on your individual circumstances and preferences. While Pharmacy2U offers a modern and digital approach to prescription management, it's essential to thoroughly investigate and ensure it aligns with your healthcare requirements. Don't forget to check out the description below for all the links mentioned in this overview.